Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Valorant error when incompatible software. Incompatible software component detected. Please update or uninstall the driver to continue playing. Ene.sys. So if you're getting this error while playing the Valorant game, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply rename the ene.sys file. So you have to open this directory path, that is C drive, Windows, System32 drivers. So open C drive, open Windows folder, open System32 folder, then open the drivers folder. And here search for ene, and here you will see ene.sys file. So select it and then right click on it and then select rename, and then just simply type .old. Just rename it to .old and then hit enter. And then you have to give the administrator permission. So click on continue, click yes to allow, and that's it. Now you can go ahead, launch Valorant and check if your problem is solved or not. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. Now if still your problem is not solved, then uninstall RGB software. Uninstall all RGB software, for example Razer Synapse, Razer Chroma, Corsair, ICUE5 software, and then you can try to launch the game and check. So to uninstall this software, you have to type control panel and open it, and then click on uninstall a program, and in the list you have to find this software: Razer Synapse, Razer Chroma RGB software, and the Corsair ISUE software. So you have to uninstall all these three software, and then you can go ahead, launch the Valorant game, and then your problem will get fixed. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Valorant incompatible software component detected ene.sys error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.